Hey there, future home-based hustlers. If you've been dreaming of ditching the office and embracing the freedom of working in your pajamas, you're in the right place. In this video, we're unveiling the 9 easiest work-from-home jobs that can turn your living room into your new office. Whether you're a digital nomad in the making or just want to escape the 9-to-5 grind, stick around as we unravel the secrets to earning from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into the world of remote opportunities and discover the perfect job that aligns with your lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button and let the work-from-home adventure begin. Welcome to the Money Rule. Number 1. Microtasking. Ever feel overwhelmed by the idea of earning a living from your couch? What if we told you there's a secret weapon that's revolutionizing the game? Welcome to the world of microtasking, where big earnings come from small actions. In this video, we're diving deep into the role of microtasking and how it's changing the game for work-from-home enthusiasts like yourself. Buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll have a whole new perspective on how to make money without breaking a sweat. In the era of remote work, microtasking has become the unsung hero for those seeking flexible income streams. So, what exactly is microtasking? It's the art of breaking down larger projects into bite-sized tasks that can be completed in a short amount of time. Think surveys, data entry, or simple online tasks that, when combined, translate into a substantial income. Platforms like Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and TaskRabbit are paving the way for a new breed of freelancers who thrive on these micro-gigs. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student looking to earn extra cash, or someone transitioning into a digital nomad lifestyle, microtasking offers the perfect solution. It allows you to choose when and how much you work, giving you the ultimate control over your time and earnings. Plus, the variety of tasks ensures that you never have a dull moment. The average salary for a web tester is $3 to $100 per hour. Number 2. Product Tester. Product Tester, a job that goes beyond just unboxing and playing with the newest gadgets. As a product tester, you become the bridge between manufacturers and consumers, providing invaluable insights that shape the future of products. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves receiving, testing, and evaluating various products, from the latest smartphones to innovative kitchen appliances. It's not just about having fun with gadgets, it's about meticulously assessing functionality, performance, and user experience. One day you might find yourself behind the wheel of a sleek electric car, and the next, immersed in the world of virtual reality. Your feedback becomes the compass for improvements, ensuring that the final product hitting the market is top-notch. And yes, you get paid for this. Companies value your authentic opinions, making product testing a unique and rewarding career path. So, if you're passionate about staying on the cutting edge and want to be a part of shaping the future, becoming a product tester might just be your calling. The average salary for a product tester is $50,000 for $186 per year. Number 3. Voiceover Artist. Ever wondered about the magic behind those captivating commercials, engaging documentaries, and animated characters that come to life? Well, look no further, because today we'll explore the incredible role of a voiceover artist, the unsung heroes who breathe life into words and give a voice to the silent. Buckle up, because by the end of this journey, you'll have a whole new appreciation for the power behind the perfect voice. Voiceover artists are the sonic architects of storytelling, painting vivid images with the strokes of their vocal cords. They are the versatile chameleons who seamlessly transition between genres, tones, and characters. Whether it's the reassuring narrator guiding you through a documentary or the animated hero saving the day, these artists not only possess a golden set of vocal cords, but also a deep understanding of the script and the emotions they aim to convey. The average salary for a voiceover artist is $75,000 per year. Number 4. Chat support. Imagine a job where your keyboard is your sword and your mission is to provide stellar customer support without leaving your sanctuary. That's the magic of chat support, the lifeline for businesses and the dream gig for work-from-home enthusiasts. One of the perks, flexibility. Say goodbye to commuting hassles and hello to managing your work hours on your terms. With chat support, you're not just solving problems, you're doing it in your favorite PJs. But it's not just about convenience. Your role as a chat support agent is critical. You become the bridge between customers and companies, resolving issues with a few keystrokes and ensuring smiles on both ends. So, if you're ready to redefine your work-from-home experience, consider the dynamic world of chat support. The average salary for a chat support is $44,000 per year. Number 5. Digital Specialist. If you're passionate about tech and want to unleash your skills from the comfort of your home, you're in for a treat. So, grab your favorite mug of coffee, settle into your cozy workspace, and let's explore the exciting world of being a digital specialist. As a digital specialist, you're the architect of the online experience, crafting strategies that turn clicks into conversions. But here's the beauty. You can do all this from the comfort of your home. Yep, you heard it right. Imagine working in your PJs with your furry friend by your side and still playing a pivotal role in the digital evolution. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. So, if you're ready to turn your home into the ultimate digital command center, stick around. The era of the digital specialist awaits. And the best part, you can conquer it all without leaving your sanctuary. The average salary for a digital specialist is $63,000 per year. Number 6. Website Tester. Are you ready to turn your web surfing skills into cash? Imagine getting paid just for browsing websites and sharing your thoughts. Well, that's the exciting world of a website tester. And today, we're diving into this awesome work-from-home gig that lets you earn while you surf. The mystery behind the role of a website tester. As businesses strive to create user-friendly online experiences, your opinion becomes a hot commodity. Your mission, to surf the web and provide valuable feedback on websites and apps. As a website tester, you'll be the virtual detective of the digital world. Companies want to know if their websites are easy to navigate, if the buttons work, and if the overall user experience is top-notch. And guess what? They're willing to pay you for your thoughts. It's the perfect gig for anyone who loves exploring the web and sharing their insights. Are you ready to transform your web browsing hobby into a paycheck? The average salary for a web tester is $75,000 per year. Number 7. Social Media Manager. The role of a social media manager is pivotal in the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, tasked with cultivating a brand's online presence. Social media managers are the architects of engaging and cohesive narratives across various social platforms. They craft strategies to boost brand awareness, engagement, and loyalty, navigating the ever-evolving trends of social media. These professionals are adept at analyzing data and insights, using them to optimize content and maximize audience reach. They not only curate compelling posts, but also foster meaningful interactions with the audience, responding to comments, messages, and trends. Social media managers stay ahead of the curve, staying informed about platform algorithm changes, emerging tools, and industry best practices. Collaboration is key, as they often work closely with marketing, design, and content teams to ensure a unified brand voice. Crisis management and quick thinking are part of the job, as they navigate both positive and negative feedback, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. In essence, the social media manager is a digital storyteller, strategist, and community builder, shaping the brand's narrative in the vast and influential realm of social media. Their role is not just about posting content, it's about creating meaningful connections and fostering a digital community that resonates with the brand's identity. The average salary for a social media manager is $59,776 per year. Number 8. Freelance Rider. Imagine waking up whenever you want, brewing your favorite coffee, and settling into a day where your words become your paycheck. That's the magic of being a freelance writer in 2023. The demand for talented wordsmiths is higher than ever, and companies are constantly on the lookout for skilled individuals to craft compelling content. From blog posts and articles to social media copy and marketing materials, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can do it all in your PJs. So, if you're ready to kiss that commute goodbye and embark on a writing adventure, stick around. We're about to unravel the secrets of the freelance writing world and how you can turn your passion for words into a thriving career. Let's get started. The average salary for a freelance writer is $22 per hour. Number 9. Virtual Assistant. The role of a virtual assistant has become more crucial than ever. Imagine having someone dedicated to handling your emails, scheduling appointments, and managing your to-do list, all without stepping out of your home office. A virtual assistant isn't just a luxury for the elite, it's a lifeline for the savvy work-from-home individual. Need research done for your next project? Your virtual assistant has got it covered. Struggling to keep up with emails? Let your virtual assistant tackle the inbox chaos while you focus on what truly matters. The beauty of a virtual assistant lies in its adaptability, from managing social media accounts to handling customer inquiries. These digital sidekicks are the unsung heroes of the remote workforce. They're not just assistants, they're time savers, stress busters, and productivity wizards. Are you ready to reclaim your time and supercharge your work from home experience? The average salary for a virtual assistant is $24 per hour. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of online money making and much more. Check out this playlist of my top videos of easy way to earn money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.